Hey everyone, want to make your Snapchat text stand out? I'm going to show you the simple trick to change the size of individual text elements. Whether you want to make your text huge or tiny, I'll show you how. Let's get started. First up, open Snapchat and make sure you're logged in. Now go to the chat you want to work with. Start typing your message in the chat box. Now you'll see these little arrows appear next to your text. By dragging these arrows up or down, we can increase or decrease the size of the text within this specific message. Send your message and your friend will see the text in the size you set. And that's it. That's how you change the text size in Snapchat. Keep in mind that the Snapchat's interface may vary slightly depending on your device and your version. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Snapchat tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.